Hey guys, welcome again. So today we will do a unboxing of my scanner detector tool that's from Bosch. Okay, the one I already give you a hint about it in the shorts previously. Okay, so we will do the unboxing of this tool. So we can see here the model is D-tect 120 Professional. It's able to detect metal and also electrical wires and also the piping or water pipes. Okay, it's really handy and useful. So you can see here it's operated at 12 volt, and I guess it's operated with 12 and 10.8 volt, 100% compatible, so you can use either one. It's come with 4 batteries and can detect, as you said just now, detect the electrical wiring, some metals, wood, and PVC. This thing can be detected from this detector. However, I believe it can be powered, as we can see later, it can be powered by the lithium-ion also batteries as well. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, it's called a universal detector. Okay, this is on the other side. Again, can detect different types of objects, whether it's wiring, electrical wiring, metal pipes, PVC, etc., even wood. Okay, and again, yeah, it's come with four these AA batteries. At the same time, can be changed to a lithium-ion module if we want. Okay, this is on the other side. This is the additional module that if we want to order. Okay, so it's time to unbox it. Okay, so I are ready now to unbox it. So after we open it, we can see there is a nice pouch inside that contains the scanner. Let's put this box on the side. You see, this is the one, how it looks inside. Now let's open it. Here we go. You can see the manual falling down. There we go. So you can see here got some manuals and also like how to use and what you can do with it, because here it can show you like on four dimensions or 4 directions, sorry, whether it's close to the left, right, up and down, as we will see later. Okay, here on we can change to different structures, whether you have like bricks or concrete, I believe, and this one maybe is a sandwich or something. Here you can make it like muted. You don't need a buzzer because it's got buzzer inside or not, so you just focus on the flashing lights. Yeah, and here to show you how you mark out where's the center of the objects and etc. That's cool. We'll check this later. This is the first thing. Then we have manufacturing certificates. Then we have the manual, D-tect 120 Professional. That's good. But for sure, who will read this? The nice thing you can see is come in different languages. You can see here, I believe is English, or no, this is Dutch English, Dutch language. Then somewhere come to Italiano. I don't know what's this. Yeah, I'm not sure if it support English or no. Should be. It's Korean, I believe. Anyway, this is the manual. Should be got English, original instruction English. Yeah, must be English. Anyway, got a nice big fat manual. Okay, and here's the device itself. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so the device comes in this placement. So we got some rubber strip that holding it in place. There we go. So when you open it, these two rubber strips, okay, holding it. So you open these two guys, then we can take it out from the place. There we go. Looks nice and solid. Okay, here it is. What else got inside? I believe we got the batteries here. Yep, we got 4 AA batteries that we need to plug it here. So as we said, this one will be powered up by using batteries. However, if you want to upgrade to the lithium-ion module, you just need to take out the what they call the housing of the battery. Then we can plug the rechargeable lithium-ion battery directly here. However, we will maintain the batteries so for now, so we can just plug our batteries. Okay, so this will be here. Take care of the battery polarities for sure. And this one should be, yep, this one here. Okay, now we close it just like this. So now I believe we can power up. Here we go. It's on. That's good. Let's try to have a fast demo on it. Okay guys, so here's a close look on the actual detector itself. It's got very nice rubber holder here, so it's not easy to be slid. Okay, and also the housing or the casing of the detector looks very rigid and very strong. It looks like it can last for a long time. Okay, however, I can see here it's got like a handle or some what they call it, this like tags or like handles, so you can put it like in your hand so it prevent it from falling down or something, but unfortunately it doesn't come with it. Yeah, big screen. Okay, and here is the interface or the buttons that might need it. Okay, so here got different functions as we will see later. So the middle one, the red one, is to power up the device. You can see now selecting the bricks, we can change to the sandwich or to the concrete. Okay, I can see when I put my hand somehow detects as an object. So from here we can make it mute or no, so it can depend only on, if we mute it, depend only on the light. Let's say if yellow it's okay, if green it's good, but if red is not good. Okay, that's good. The screen is very clear and big. So now I will try to put it on the table for sure. Now you see it's detecting the metal structure of the table. If yeah, you see it's detecting exactly here where it is the metal structure or the legs of the table, so somewhere here. So that's why you can see it's detecting. And the nice thing you can see here, it will show you where to go to find the center of the object. If you see here, it will ask you to go to the I mean, for me it is the right, but for you I guess you go to up. If I rotate it like this, you see now it will ask you to go down. So now if I go down, here we go, here's the center. So if I go down more, it asks me to go up for the, see now it's missing it already. It means this area is clean. If I tilt it a bit, yeah, so this area is clean. Once I go up, here we go now, clean, we are reaching to the metal area. Here we go. So once we go more until we find the cross, so here we go. So this is the center, okay, of the object that we should avoid it if we have any construction. Let's say we want to make a holes or do whatever we want to do. Okay, that's good, that's cool. It looks is working. So now after we avoid it or we pass it, then everything go back to normal. That's cool. Now let's mute it. We test again. Here we go. It's function exactly the same, but we just like without the buzzer. Okay guys, so that's, I believe that's it for this video. I don't want to make it long for you, so it's just very fast unboxing of the detector, of what they call it is a general or universal detector. Again, is a professional D-tect 120 universal detector from Bosch. So this one is just a very fast unboxing. We don't want to make it too long for you guys, so later we will have a full review of the device with a test on actual metal piping or even electrical wiring to see how accurate the positioning of the the position that's reporting by this device. Okay, so later we will have a complete review on this device. So for the time being, we just unboxing it, we see what it's come with and also how to operate it. Thank you guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video and the unboxing. See you soon.